This is my Commodore 8-bit collection from the 80s. We start off with the Commodore 128D, cost reduced, with a 1581 drive and a 1571 drive external. It also has an internal 1571 drive, and I have two 1902 monitors, one in 80 column mode and one in 40 column mode. We then come up to my Commodore 128 displayed, my Commodore 116 displayed, and my Commodore 16 displayed. Then we come down to my Commodore 64G from England, a PAL machine. Then we come to the Commodore 64C. Then we come to the Commodore SX64. It was the first color portable computer. Then my computer from 1983 Christmas, the Commodore 64 with the 1702 monitor. Next up is the 1802 color monitor and the +4, which has the TED chip. Moving to the left, we have the Commodore Max from 1982. Only 50,000 of these were made in Japan. This is one of the rare computers. And to the left, we then have a Commodore VIC-20 with another 1702 monitor and two of the VIC-1541 drives. And then I have some spare monitors up here in case any of mine go down. I failed to mention that this Commodore 116 is also considered rare. Only 50,000 of these were made in Europe, and of the 50,000, 44,000 were sold in Germany.